right, everybody, welcome to ADV Moto. We are here in sunny Temecula, California, test riding one of my favorite motorcycles, the 2022 model year for North America, Royal Enfield Himalayan. We've got a few kind of updates to this bike, which are worth mentioning. One is, I don't know if you can see it here on the right-hand side, there's another pod. Right now it just tells the time. That is like a navigation assistance. It interfaces with Google, either Google Maps, and it will kind of give you some turn-by-turn assistance there, which is really cool because you can get some navigation without having to put the phone on the bike itself. Another thing is they've strengthened the rear rack. The rear rack is a totally different design. It's a much lower profile, and it looks like a much stronger design. I would guess maybe about twice as much. I forgot the numbers. So the other thing, too, is these guards down here on the side, those have been made a little bit smaller. Some of the taller riders were complaining that the upper side guards, which do work, was hitting their knees. And what would happen is it would made it feel kind of cramped for taller riders. Well, they got rid of that, and I can tell you I'm about 6'1", and it does feel a little more roomy with those on there. I didn't personally have a big problem, especially after changing the saddle. It slid my butt back a little bit, and it was all good. We've got a few new colorways in this too as well. Hope I get these right. We've got a new Mirage Silver, which is really nice. We've got Pine Green. It's kind of like a camo pattern. We've got also a Granite Black. What I'm riding now is the Rock Red, my favorite color combination. Last but not least, the windscreen has also been redesigned. It's a little bit wider, but it kind of meets the contours of the other plastics that come into the front of those upper side guards. But nothing real mind-blowing. However, they are nice improvements. I believe it's only a few $100s more. I think it's like $5,300. Royal Enfield just continues to offer more at an entry-level price point that is hard to beat. And we're really happy that the Himalayan is kind of leading the charge for Royal Enfield as they grow in North America. We want to make this quick update. Thanks everyone for riding along again. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments field below. And stay tuned to AdventureMotorcycle.com for more. Everybody, ride safe, have fun, and remember, the adventure is you.